Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Epic Games, go to Library, scroll down to Fortnite, click on the three dots over here, go to Manage. Over here, go ahead and locate installation and click Open Install Location. This will open up a folder window. Over here, go ahead and click on Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64, and over here, just go ahead and open up Easy Anti-Cheat. Over here, go ahead and locate Easy Anti-Cheat US Setup, right click on it, and create a shortcut. Once a shortcut is created, go to the shortcut right over here, right click on it, and click on Properties. On Properties, go ahead and go to the end of this, and open up a quotation just so. Open quotation, type in repair, and then close quotation. Press space another one, and then click on apply. Then okay. Once done, go ahead and open it up, and you will have an administrator pop up. Just go ahead and click yes. Once done, it will be fixed. Go ahead and relaunch your Fortnite, and the problem should be done. If this video helped you solve your problem, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.